here with you, and I'm here to announce a special little class. I wanted to do some journaling out of the box, but a little special edition. And so since I was doing it, I decided to make 8 kits at the same time. And I filmed the process. So basically, if you purchase one of those 8 kits, you get you're gonna get an envelope that will come with a bunch of goodies. I'm not going to share all the goodies. I want some surprises, but you have this little guy here. I've stapled it at the top just because otherwise the envelope gets too thick and it's not going to fit through the mailbox. I made sure that it was going to stay under the 200 grams of weight so that I can keep the shipping fairly cheap. So in this, I've basically prepped 10 little squares. So these are actually Anakin things that you put under your beer glass. So I've prepped 10 of them per kit, so they're all gessoed, all ready to go. Every kit includes a washi stick. Every kit includes some playing cards with fun images, like this. Every kit includes a little card like this, which is used for for making what I did in my Take 5, which is a smooching technique. Every kit includes a portion of my inky papers. Every kit includes some punchinella, and every kit includes this here, which is basically some words. They were in color, and then I did it also black and white, so you've got 2 different options. So these are all there's, like I said, there's a bunch of other stuff. There's some book pages, there's all kinds of goodies in here, and basically you can make little cards that will be similar to these. And that's what I share in this video. So hope that this is something fun that you will enjoy. Like I said, the kits are very limited, and I will be putting them in Etsy, and the link will be down in the description box below. Go and check it out. There's still some Happy Mail kits if you're interested in that. I still do have a few classes left for the zine, as well as the index card. So in case you're looking for extra little classes for fun. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Really hope you enjoy this. This is not the class I was working on. This is just an extra little thing that I managed to put together. The class that I'm working on will be coming soon. It's getting close to the end. It's taking me longer because it's a much bigger class. So yeah, that's it. So hope you enjoyed this. I know that sometimes you want to try the journaling out of the box, but you might not have the proper stuff. And like I said, I go through step by step the process of this, so I think you're gonna find it very enjoyable. So that's it, guys. Bye, stay safe.